Hey, it's KK. I just want to show y'all how I make butter chicken at home. And you know we got Bryson Tiller with the vibes. Don't play. Alright, we not here for a long time, but a good time. But in the meantime, wash your hands when you're dealing with anybody else's food, including your own. And first of all, Dr. Seuss who? Because all of that rhymes. So peep game, right? Watch when I wash it, you see me use my fingernails to scrub it with the other palm of my hand. Yes, wash your hands like that. Please and thank you. Here, I'm just cutting up the chicken on the cutting board. You want some nice cube chicken. Yeah, just cut it up nicely. Get some good chunks, not too small, some good chunks. And I know some of y'all gonna be like, did she clean the chicken? Of course. I'm gonna show you later on in the video though. I'm about to work smarter, not harder. Get the boil in the bag rice. We're not gonna cook rice all day. Alright, that's the rinse and clean chicken. Make sure to pat it dry because you want the seasonings to stick. Wanna see a magic trick? Voila magic. Here, I'm just buttering up the pan, getting ready to put that seasoned chicken in there and saute it. Alright, that's me sauteing the chicken, y'all. Alright, next time I put a Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, well, brush it on there, put it in the oven. Look at the butter chicken, it's looking good. Y'all, come on now. Don't say I ain't do my big one, I did.